bitch, get up. Lane switcher, my brain lit up. Hey skipper, you lame mincher, can't hang with us. Big flipper, my wave thicker, my flow richer, my itcher. You take picture, I paint figures. Pin up, head finna, pop like blister. And a snap boy, I'm coming for Grammys like Insta. My ex tried to shoot me down, I don't miss her. Running naked on the beach with Britt and Tammy, they sisters. Twins, 100K all in. This is it, y'all press for hits, and I done made like 10. I don't break on bend, too different on blend. Y'all soft like skin, can't touch me like wind, then win again. Not a human, I'm Jen. Right now I'm breaking out of this fucking body I'm in. Can't stop till all you see is diamonds when I grin. Who knew that I could write my own story with a pen? Damn.
Hi there guys, my name is Dan from K-tec Racing, and here behind me, as you can see, is this lovely Renault Megane 3Rs. We've had this in for a lot of work. It's actually ended up being our 400 Turbo Kit. The story is that the customer brought it in and it actually had a hybrid turbo on it. However, it wasn't very good and it wasn't going to make the power that he was expecting. And for about an extra 20 horsepower, we decided to actually swap it out for our 400 Turbo Kit. So we'll just go over the modifications that we've done to the project. So obviously the main enhancement for this package is the turbo kit, and it's our KTR400 Turbo Kit. As you can see, we use one of the Garrett units with a custom downpipe that suits it. It's got a massive outlet at the back of the turbo and it looks absolutely great. This obviously produces up to 400 horsepower, and this specific one has made 390 horsepower on a stock engine just to protect the internals. We also have the upgraded silicon intake pipe. That's KTR product as well that we do, and that obviously enhances the flow to the turbo. So another enhancement that we've done to this vehicle whilst it's in with us is these huge G-hook discs. It's also had new fresh pads as well, just to enhance the stopping power.
No pay cuts, just raise up. We killing this, it's time to make up. Start utilizing that space that you take up. I'm really quick to flip when I wake up. Don't wait up.
So, just out test driving the vehicle on the road now, and the power is just absolutely insane. This 400 package that we do, the KTR400 for these Meganes, is just absolutely incredible. The power delivery is just insane. As you can hear, it just makes all the right sounds as well. You get that lovely sort of turbo flutter, and when you sort of release off the pedal. On this exhaust setup, we're getting a couple of sort of pops and bangs on the overrun. It's just an absolutely well sorted package that we deliver on these vehicles now. We've done obviously a number of them, so we know them very, very well. So you just sat under 400 horsepower now, and it's one of the most fun 400 horsepower vehicles that I've personally driven. Compare it to something like a stage 2 Golf R with 4-wheel drive system, and this is a lot more fun because you kind of just got to hold on for dear life and just hope that it actually steers you in the right direction. But the power is progressive, but it is quite aggressive right at the top end. But it's not sort of bite your face off kind of aggression. It's just a really nice sort of linear power that we